What does OEE mean for maintenance? Conducting an OEE analysis can provide insight into the way you schedule, organize, and conduct maintenance tasks. Ultimately, this information can help you avoid common and critical issues with assets costing your organization time and money. Low asset availability can tell you that a machine is breaking down too often or for too long. This might mean the asset isn't getting the proper amount of preventive maintenance, or critical spare parts aren't available to quickly repair a problem. Low performance could point toward issues with a specific part or preventive maintenance tasks, such as bearings that aren't receiving enough lubrication or a belt that is too old and needs to be replaced.